Yo, how's it going, fam? Back with you guys, Mauricio Ceballos. So today is October 13th, 2020. We're almost done with the year, entering third quarter. So understand that third quarter is one of the most important quarters because this is where a lot of volatility is going to start because banks have to catch up to their rates, right? Determined. Now we have certain pairs. We mentioned about gold not too long ago for that move to the downside. And as you guys can see, this move to the downside did have a great move, right? If you were able to hold it all the way to the downside for a where it currently went down to, it would have been a 1 to 32 risk to reward. Now I want to show you guys that all these trades I sent out to the free Telegram. Well, not all of them, but I sent some setups over to the free Telegram. You guys can see that before. And then our TP was over at 1917,938. So 1917,938. I'm gonna go and show you guys where that was. Take profit 1917,938. That was the area that we're looking for TP. As you guys can see, TP was cleared, and then when market continued on moving to the downside. Now, currently where we're currently at a level where we're looking for some more push to the upside, right? And why is it that we're looking for that push to the upside? The reason why we're looking for this push to the upside is due to the fact that market has came to a point of interest, right? I'm going to be talking about point of interest later on in the future. I'm also going to start putting some educational content out on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. There's going to be a lot of great educational information coming out. But as you guys can see from the potential entry, the way I went ahead and determined this was either the entry, either the beginning or the half point. As you guys can see, we had at the half point. This was actually a session that we did on live with more individuals, and as you guys can see from that potential entry that was sent out on the live session, currently at this moment should be up about 83 pips, right? In a matter of, let me see how long this took. In a matter of about an hour and 40 minutes, right? So determining your risk reward, that's what really matters. But at the same time, a lot of people like to see pips and how much it can move. So with this so far, there's about 83 pips that has been moved on gold. But at the same time, when it comes to this move to downside, RTP was hit, gathering up to 140 pips. And then also, if you're looking to swing it all the way down to that potential TP, would have been 431 pips that we'd be looking for it into. So that's gold. Now let's go ahead and move over to some other pairs as GU. Now GU, you guys can clearly see that I have something marked up right here. And I'm looking for potential moving to the upside. Right now at this area, I'm looking at what market is doing on lower time frames, such as the 5 minute and the 1 minute. I really want to pay attention to, what is it creating, right? Is it really creating those schematics? Is it going to come down over here and test before it goes to the upside? Those are little things I want to be paying attention to, as well as USD CAD, right? So is this really going to hold up? Is it going to start going to the downside? What exactly is it that's going to happen? I'm still looking for market to go a little bit lower to the downside. Eventually, I want to start seeing USD CAD going to the upside. But as of right now, in order for me to determine to say I'm fully bullish on this, I want to see a market come up and at least level out to these zones right here, right? Once it comes up and levels out to these zones, then I'll be saying, okay, I'm fully bullish. But for right now, it has created certain schematics. It have created certain things I want to look at. But so far, it hasn't really gave us that movement that we want to look for, right? We were on this trade over here, and then we were able to go to 1-to-1 where we used to take partials to break even. So right now, a lot of individuals are already at break even with some partials, but at this area right here, looks like you can potentially look for more entries depending on what it is that you can find on lower time frames, such as the 1 minute. Start identifying schematics. So right here looks like it's trying to create a distribution schematic, right? So this is something I'm gonna let to you guys to start studying, but this is something I really like. And if it does continue going to the downside, where am I targeting? Right, first target is always going to be that 1 and 3. Second target is going to be these equal lows over here. And then third target, that would be targeting for USD CAD, if it continues going to the downside, is going to be my points of interest from the past, which is right here, right? Which is about the 1.30800 level. That would be a great level to be paying attention to for potential new schematics being created, such as accumulations. And then over here around the 1.30590, 600 level, those are going to be levels I'm be looking to buy into to then rally all the way to the upside. So right now I'm just being very cautious as far as where I'm entering with USD CAD. I'm going to let this one run. I'm still in this trade. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. It's no biggie because the risk reward is what really is determining these profits moving forward, right? So with that said, guys, I hope you guys were able to enjoy this quick little session. Understand that gold, I'm still looking for gold to rally into these highs. And with that said, I hope I see you guys in the next one. Also, you guys want to go ahead and join the free Telegram. That's going to be your first link on the description down below. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.